On this important occasion, the 35th anniversary of the adoption of the Declaration of State Sovereignty of the Republic of Tatarstan, I would like to congratulate the people of Tatarstan, both at home and in the diaspora. Achieving independence is always a long-term struggle, with victories and setbacks against the colonizing state. But the most important factors are willpower and determination, never to surrender to imperialism and oppression, and to maintain a clear vision of what you want to achieve. And the Committee for the Independence of Tatarstan and the Government of Independent Tatarstan in Exile have demonstrated that willpower, determination, and vision. Tatarstan has a right to independence and statehood for many reasons. First, the Tatar people and the original Tatar state did not voluntarily join the Muscovite Empire, but was brutally conquered in the 16th century. Therefore, colonial Russia has no popular legitimacy in Tatarstan, whatever ideologies and forms of government it imposed on the people since its conquest. Second, from Ivan the Terrible to Putin the Poisoner, the Tatar people have been subjected to annihilation, Russification, forcible assimilation, theft, and numerous other forms of exploitation and repression. But the Muscovites have been unable to crush your spirit and eliminate your identity, and every generation produces new activists and leaders who revive your nation and pursue your aspirations. And third, together with its neighbors in the Middle Volga region, Tatarstan has all the attributes of statehood in terms of history, demography, economy, resources, and tradition. Indeed, when it is independent, Tatarstan will be one of the richest and most successful states to emerge from a failed and dissolving Russia, and it can establish good relations with Europe and with America. Let me also congratulate Ukraine's Verkhovna Rada for displaying its support and solidarity with a country that has undergone similar suffering at the hands of Moscow as has Ukraine. And beyond that, I believe that Ukraine now stands at the forefront of Russia's decolonization. During the current war, Ukraine has demonstrated that Russia is an expansionist and genocidal empire, and even in the 21st century, its economy is based on the colonial exploitation of occupied territories. Even more significantly, Ukraine has demonstrated that Russia is not invincible. The state structure is based on brittle foundations. Its expansionism disguises its internal decline and socio-economic failure, and its leaders are paranoid and know full well that the failed Russian state stands on the verge of disintegration. Ukraine is at the forefront of propelling Russia towards its ultimate fate, not only through its courage in war, but through its farsightedness in supporting Tatarstan and all other nations seeking independence from Muscovy. Ukraine and Tatarstan will remain close partners and allies long after the Muscovite Empire is vanquished and vanished. Thank you again, and wishing you success and progress at this important conference. And see you one day soon, hopefully in Kiev.